Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we're bringing you another excitement because we're modifying this 2021 Ram TRX. This is the intake we're about to install. It is right here. We have it all laid out for this TRX. The company that makes it is called SNB. They are based in Arizona, and this is the part number 755150, cold air intake for 2021 to 2023 Ram 1500 TRX V8 6.2 liter. So let me introduce you to this beautiful 2021 Ram TRX, bone stock, 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. And we are about to put a cold air intake in it and then see if it makes any difference. So right now what we're about to do is set up some baseline. We're gonna use our draggy, compare its 0 to 60 in its eighth mile, and then bring it back, put the cold air intake in it, and go outside and try it again. See if the intake will make any difference.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. I'm with Russ in his brother's TRX. He owns the white one, so the black one is his brother's. And this car is completely stock. And we're going to test it out, test the 0 to 60 and the 8th mile, and then come back, install the cold air intake, and go back and test it out again. We're gonna tell you all about the intake when we come back. And this is not a sponsored video. You know, he did buy the intake. It wasn't given to him. He did buy it. So opinion on this will be straight from what we learned, like from, you know, the result. Like whether it's positive or negative, you wouldn't be influenced by anybody or anything, but the result. So Russ, how much was the intake?
The intake is about $700.
$700.
And when we talked about it in my truck, I didn't mean to bash it. I wasn't bashing it. I just didn't feel a difference.
Yeah.
So I think this is going to be
This is the decider.
This is a decider.
Very much, yeah.
Yes.
We tried.
And it's very good system. Very well built. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do this right.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Launch it.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got to the 8th mile.
What did it say for 8th?
So we have a 4-second flat 0 to 60,
okay,
and then 7.9 quarter mile.
7.9. That's pretty close.
Yeah. 7.9 quarter mile. So let's try again on the other.
Yeah, but that was a little uphill.
Yeah. Let's get. I don't know if you guys can see. Those are the draggy results. So 0 to 60, 4-second flat, mile 7.9. And this is the car bone stock with all the weight.
Control.
Okay, we're gonna launch it again.
1800.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Jesus. 60. Okay, we got it. Weird, it was slightly slower.
What did we do?
We did a 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds.
Okay.
8th mile in 8-second flat.
8-second flat.
So 7.9 and 8 flat.
I'll try one more. I'll go around the block.
Yeah,
and do one
try
more.
One more. Yeah.
One more north. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. This is weird. So the 0-60 was still 4.3.
Okay.
The 8 mile went to 8.10. So
no, that's not right.
Yeah, that's
oh,
not
8. 8.1.
8.1. Yeah, 8.1. Yeah, 8.1. 8.1 at 88 miles per hour.
Seems a little lower.
Seems a little lower, yeah.
I'm going to turn around and we'll do one more.
Yeah, on this side. Yeah, I think this side, it looks like we're getting a better time.
Yeah. And then we'll just take all the numbers, average them.
Average them, exactly, yeah. Yeah, we have a 7.98 flight, now 8.1. And yeah.
That time the tires did spin though.
They did spin, yeah. I think maybe because it's sport.
Let's go back to where we were.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Yeah, this is exactly what it was, yeah. Okay,
gotta go. If you want to go, we go now.
Yeah, let's just go. Back at 8-second flat 8th mile.
Okay.
And 4.10 to 60.
Okay.
So yeah, I think we have our average. So we just finished the baseline testing. Now we're about to get the TRX in to install the cold air intake. Oh, yeah. And then this is Russ TRX. It has pretty much the same cold air intake we're about to install in his brother truck. Here is the cold air intake. So Russ, tell us a little bit about the company that makes it. Like, how do you know about them? What made you buy this specifically?
I just researched online and I actually saw a video of a dyno pole where they were comparing it.
Okay.
And I liked the quality and gave it a shot.
So in that video with the dyno pole, did you see the difference? Like,
they showed a difference, and I was watching it. It was a year ago, so I can't remember the exact numbers, but they did show.
Did show a difference?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna install it right now and then go back again and try it out. Perfect.
TRX
eating a raptor. Wow, this is a very cool Easter egg. TRX eating a raptor. Wow. So we first remove the engine cover, and then we get access to the factory air intake.
We gotta get all these little clips off. You can use a screwdriver.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bits, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow.
I took off the IAT sensor plug.
Okay.
Makes it easy to break the seal and break it apart.
And there you go, the factory air box. Pretty clean still.
Yeah.
How many miles?
7,000 miles.
7,000 miles, okay. Wow. So there goes the factory air filter, and now we're about to put the SMB giant cold air intake.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that.
So we just finished installing the SMB cold air intake in the TRX. So everything went in perfectly. We have everything ready. Now we're gonna go try and see if we can feel the performance advantage. The site claim 20 to 25 horsepower gain and 20 to 25 pound-feet of torque gain, but that's about 3.5% of the total 702 horsepower that the car produced. So, you know, it's 3.5%. We might be able to feel it a little bit. That's why we have our draggy today. So we're gonna test it out and see. Oof, okay. So we have as you can see, a 4 second 0 to 60, and we're back to 7.9, 8th mile. Let me see the miles per hour. 88.75.
That's almost identical.
That's almost identical with stock.
Yes.
So, okay, we're gonna go for the second ledge. So we go to 1800 RPM. And we're gonna try another launch.
Here we go.
Okay. Okay, what did we get? We got a 4.2 second 0 to 60 and 8 second flat, pretty much 8th mile. So this is actually slower than this.
Yes.
I think this is, I mean, back here it gives us a better test result than coming downhill. I mean, the downhill, maybe we...
We're out of room though, but okay? Right
Yeah,
here?
yeah, okay, this is perfect. 1 second.
Gotta roll. Good?
Yeah. So we just finished testing the Ram TRX. We installed the cold air intake, the SMB cold air intake in it. We run it stock and we run it with the cold air intake. We didn't find any difference. To be honest, we didn't find any difference. So whether or not it's worth it, I mean, you guys have to decide for yourself. All we can tell you is it looks good, makes the supercharger whine even louder, which is really good. But besides, as far as performance, I mean, you know, I think unless we take it to the dyno, we won't really be able to tell if he actually gives you 20 to 25 horsepower or 20 to 25 pound-feet of torque. So I don't know, guys. I mean, if you're gonna get it, unless you're making other modification as well, you know, I don't think it's worth it. That's my personal opinion. But again, if you like the supercharger sound, I think it is for you, because he looks nice under the hood, and then he sounds really good. Like the supercharger, we could really hear it very, very hard in the cabin. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.